Hi, 7th graders. Let's talk about checkpoint 6. Checkpoint 6 is really two skills in one: writing algebraic expressions and evaluating algebraic expressions. The first is writing algebraic expressions. This just means turning things like 5 greater than m into math symbols. 5 greater than m means a number that's 5 bigger than m, so it's an addition problem. Now, because it's an addition problem, and addition is commutative, the order in which you write those two things doesn't matter. So 5 plus m is just as good as m plus 5. But as you know, not everything is commutative. Before we go any further, you should make sure that at the beginning of checkpoint 6, you notice there is a list of several commonly used phrases for the different operations. You might want to take a minute and review those and make sure you know addition when you see it, or you know subtraction when you see it. Let's talk for a bit about problem number 3 now. 7 less than t. 7 less than t means some number that is smaller than t. So we are going to take t and we are going to subtract 7 from it. So t minus 7 would be the correct algebraic expression for 7 less than t. If you wrote it the other way around, that would be incorrect. What I just wrote in red, 7 minus t, is t less than 7. Got to be careful about order when you're doing subtraction or division. Speaking of division, let's talk about 14. 14 divided by b. You can do 14 divided by b with the division symbol, or you can do 14 fraction bar b. Still reads 14 divided by b, just two different symbols. Again, be careful about order. If you switch the 14 and the b in those expressions, they are wrong. Okay, now let's look at an expression that's a little bit more complicated. Let's look at number 16, which says 2 less than triple n. Well, we're going to tackle the triple n first, because remember, according to the rules for order of operations, we multiply first. Triple means multiply by 3. 2 less than that means subtract 2. So the correct expression for 2 less than triple n is 3n minus 2.